Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Zoom online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Zoom account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address zoom.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Zoom. And on this page, at the top right corner of the screen on this home page, you can see the sign in button available for us where my mouse is hovering right now. Just above the sign up, click on sign in, and over here you'll be required to enter the email address and the password of your Zoom account with which you have signed up for a Zoom account. Or you can also log into your Zoom account with an SSO ID, an Apple ID, Google, or your Facebook ID. If you click on either of these buttons, or login panel to the respective items will open, and if you log into the account precisely with your account on those, then you'll be logged into Zoom with these accounts as well. And also guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be either able to reset or retrieve your account's password. And that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Zoom account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Zoom account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.